How God turns mistakes into lessons. What if I told you that the very mistakes you regret, the ones that keep you up at night, the ones you wish you could erase, may actually be the very things God wants to use to elevate you, teach you, and shape you? Mistakes don't disqualify you, they develop you. And if you stay with me for the next few minutes, you're going to see how God can take your biggest failures and turn them into your greatest breakthroughs. Welcome back to Jesus Today. I'm so glad you're here. Because today's message is something we all need, the truth that God can turn your mistakes into lessons that bless you instead of break you. Maybe you feel stuck because of something you did. Maybe you feel ashamed or embarrassed. Maybe you feel like you ruined God's plan for your life, but listen, you are not too far gone. God specializes in taking broken pieces and building something beautiful. What mistakes really are? Mistakes are not the end of you. Mistakes are moments, not lifetime sentences. A mistake simply means you tried something, you learned something, and now God will use it to grow you. Romans 8:28 says, all things work together for the good of those who love God. Not some things. Not only the good things, all things, even the things you regret. Look at Peter, he denied Jesus 3 times. But Jesus didn't throw him away. Jesus restored him. Jesus used the same man who failed to become a foundational leader of the early church. Your failure is not final. Why mistakes happen? Mistakes happen because we're human, but God uses them for divine reasons. Mistakes show us what we need to grow. Sometimes God allows a failure so we don't build our entire life on pride, overconfidence, or the wrong foundation. Mistakes push us closer to God. When everything is perfect, we tend to rely on ourselves. But when things fall apart, we run back to Him. Mistakes reveal what is real inside us: character, patience, emotional control, humility, faith. Sometimes God allows you to stumble so you can learn what needs strengthening. Mistakes teach wisdom. Every mistake carries a message. Every failure carries instruction. Sometimes you don't lose, you learn. How God turns mistakes into lessons. Acknowledge it honestly. No healing begins until we say, Lord, I messed up. I need you. God works with honesty, not excuses, not hiding. Give it to God, confess it, release it. Stop replaying what God already forgave. Let God teach you. Ask, what did this mistake show me? What is God teaching me through this? How can I grow from this? God is a teacher, not a punisher. Don't stay where you fell. Proverbs 24:16 says, a righteous person falls 7 times and rises again. Falling doesn't make you unrighteous. Staying down does. Use your mistake as a ministry. Your story, your healing, your growth might be what helps someone else rise. Real-life examples of God using mistakes. Let me share something powerful with you. Moses, he killed a man, fled for 40 years, thought his life was over, but God used that same man to deliver Israel. David, he made terrible mistakes, but God used him to write psalms that comfort us today. Your story isn't over either. Your mistake is not the final chapter. It's just a part of the testimony God is writing. You may feel guilty, you may feel unworthy, you may feel like you ruined everything, but hear me clearly. God is not done with you. God is not disappointed in you. God is not surprised by you. He knew your mistakes before you made them, and He already prepared the lessons, the healing, and the comeback. If this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who feels stuck in regret. And for a deeper encouragement, click the 6-minute video I pinned for you titled God Uses Your Pain for Purpose. It will lift you immediately. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Jesus Today for more powerful messages every day. God is turning your mistakes into miracles. Your comeback starts now.